Morning, welcome to today's lesson in my back garden. So, today we're looking at finding fractions and percentages of numbers. So I thought I'd give you a quick reminder. It's stuff we've done in class before, so there's nothing new, but I thought a quick reminder. So, let's look at fractions first. So let's say we're finding something like a quarter of 86, say. Hang on, that's a rubbish idea. Let's do a quarter of 84. Okay. So, what we need to do a quarter of something is divide it by this. Okay, so if we're finding a fraction, we divide it by the denominator. So we're dividing 84 by 4. Obviously, there's different ways of doing this. I'm going to half it and half it again. Well, half of 80 is 40, half of that is 2, half of that is 20, half of that is 1. So my answer is 21. Okay, finding fractions, we divide by the denominator. However, what happens then if we've got something like finding 3/4 of 84? Well, before I can find 3/4, I need to find 1/4. So we worked out before that 1/4 is 21. Okay, once I've found what 1/4 is, I can find what 3/4 is. I can't write that way. I can find what 3/4 is by timesing that by 3. So we know what 1/4, so I'm going to do 21 times 3. 20 times 3 is 60, 1 times 3 is 3, so my answer is 63. Straightforward? Hopefully. Okay, so that's fractions. Now percentages, some of them are easy to do, and I've put the easy ones on the document, so things like 25%, we just find a quarter, 50%, we find half, 10% we divide by 10. So what happens if we've got something like 41% of 1,400? So to do that, I can't find 40% easily, but I can find 1% easily. So 40%, the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to find 10% first. To find 10%, we divide that by 10, so it's going to be 140. Now if I know what 10% is, I can work out what 40% is. Times that by 4, so what am I going to do over here? Times it by 4. So 100 times by 4 is 400. 40 times by 4 is 160. So 40% must be 560. Now don't forget this 1%. To find 1%, I'm going to divide that by 100, so it's 14. So that means that 41% is my 560 plus that one, so 574. Hopefully all that makes sense. Do well today, Year 6.